Hello guys, welcome back to calculus class. And this time I'll go over some few more questions. Maybe I'll go over 84, 85, 86. I'm not gonna go over this because maybe I'll briefly go over this, but I don't want to spend too much time in 87. And then the rest of the questions just like go with the flow because don't even try to do all the questions in calculus exam unless you're like so confident about it because you're not gonna simply have enough time. So make sure you just circle like about if you can do 20 questions on your own and guess the other 10 questions, that's good enough. That will give you even like 4 or 5. At least that's gonna guarantee you pass, okay? So let's do question number, what's that called? 84 here, okay? So, let's graph this one. If the average value, so you remember average value here, average value of a function, which means like you remember this one, a b f of x dx is under cos inverse 2 to 4 is equal to what? 3. So, well, what I know is you have a here, this is equal to 3. That's a y equals 3. Let me put this one. And then we have a x value, which is x equal to 2, x equals 4 here. And your y value is greater than or equal to 0, which means this value will not go below here from here to here. What is the area of the region enclosed by y equals f of x, which means you want to find area of this one. The line x equals 2 and x equals 4 and the x-axis. You want to find this one, right? So they did not give us the, what's that called, thing, but what I know is 1 over, it's from 2 to 4, so it's going to be 4 minus 2 times antiderivative of 2 to 4 f of x dx. Now remember, you are looking for this one. So this is the area under the curve, which means this one is the area. And so what you're looking for is you're going to find the area of this one. So here to here is a 2. From here to here is a 3 because this is y equals 3 and that's a y equals 0. So from 0 to 3, that's a 3. So 2 times 3, area base times height, which is 6. If you don't know what I'm doing, remember it's a rectangle, so you're 6. So it's going to be same thing as 1 over 2, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 times this entire thing, this entire thing is going to be equal to 6. So 1/2 times 6 is equal to 3. So that's why answer is going to be 3. If question was only asking for this, yeah, your answer is going to be 6. That's it. But do you see at the beginning, you're looking for the average value of function over this one is equal to 3. It's already given, we are looking for average value of this one. So keep that in mind. That's what we are looking for here, okay? Wait a second. Wait. This is not true. Question is not asking for average value here. Question is asking for what's the area region enclosed by this one. Question is only asking for this. So this one is only 6. I don't even need this one. Never mind. Answer is going to be 6, not 3. Let me check the answer here. Just in case so that I don't confuse you. Question number 84. Yeah, 84 is P. Yeah, answer is P. I was right. Yeah. It's a 6. Because I was wondering, that question is not asking for the average value. So if it was asking for what's the average value of this function, yeah, I actually have to multiply 1/2. But at the end, question is only asking what is the area of the region enclosed by this, which means find the area under the curve. So that's the only thing that you need, which is 6. Like this one is just to trick you, I guess. I don't even know why it's there. So let's do question number 85. We got table, we don't know, and we got this equation. Which of the following is the best approximation of this one, right? So Well, apparently we don't even have to use calculator for this one because do you see when x is equal to 0? We don't know what x is equal to 0 in this case, but it's going to be between here. Your y value is going to be somewhat between here, which means it's going to be 0 because do you see this one is keep getting closer to 0 and this one is keep getting closer to 0. So when x is equal to 0, y is going to be equal to 0. So if you plug in x, I don't know what y value is, but I know that when this one is equal to 0, this y value will be equal to 0, so it's going to negative 2 times 0. So that's going to be the same thing as e to the 0, which is going to be equal to 1. So answer is going to be C. It's that easy. 86, I don't want to go over this because this one is like too like something, but I just will tell you that this is the isosceles triangle here. So it's going to be 1/2, 1/2. You know, usually base times height divided by 2, but since these two are equal to each other, it's not going to be height. I mean, instead of base times height, I will just do base square because height is the same thing as a base, b squared, okay? So this is going to be this, and this one is going to be this. So when you actually do the reason from bounded from 0 to 2, 1/2, what I'm going to do is top minus bottom. So I will probably put 4 cosine, let me go over this, pi x over 4 minus the bottom part, x minus 2 squared dx, something like that, I believe. Wait a second. I think I gotta do this one squared and then this one squared. Yeah, both of them squared. Was it? Let me see. Okay, I'm getting there, guys. Why calculus is like hard but fun for no reason? Yeah, I think it's gonna be about this one. Yeah, when you do this one. Yeah, I'm right. So you just do this one. When you put this one to the calculator with the mc4 2, you are gonna get the answer. It's gonna be A. Okay, so I was right. Yep, that's it. And then this is the last question that we'll go over. So these two are the given to us here, and that's what you're trying to find. So let's do this one. Let's break this one into two. So this one is same thing as antiderivative 6 to 2, 3 f of x plus, dx plus 2 to 6, same thing, g of x dx. And as you can see, do you see this 3? I can take this one outside. So I will just put it outside like that, okay? So let's plug it in. 3 times, it's already given to us. F of x, this one is equal to what? 5. So this is times 5 plus this one. Do you see this one is a 2 to 6, which means I gotta flip it, which means if I flip it, it's gonna be negative. So this is gonna be negative 7. So it's gonna be minus 7. 3 times 5 is 15. Positive times negative, negative. It's gonna be 8. It's like that easy. So even though it is a calculator question, this one, like most of them, you don't even need a calculator. So that's about it. If there are some questions that you don't know, yeah, just try your best. Like we have a short, like very limited of time, so that's all I can go over at this moment, okay? All right, that's about it, guys. Just good luck on your test tomorrow. Even after the test, like I want you guys to look at it and review about it, okay? Yeah, that's about it. See you guys. Love you. Bye.